PTMS Batangas, PTMS Batangas, report car 07.
May nag-report kayo ng 1-1.
Nasa 1 man siguro sila.
Batangas, report car 27.
1-1, report car 7, 1-1.
Going down 1-1, sir. PTMS Batangas, report car 27.
Report car 7, go ahead.
Good afternoon, sir. This is Seaboard Cargo 7 reporting. Call site Delta Uniform Alpha, the 3614. Last port of call, Nasipit, Agusan del Norte. Next port of call, Manila, Bitas, Pier 18. ETA, June 13, 2025 at 0230 Hotel. Cargo on board, containerized. Number of crew, 22 including master. Drop forward, 2.60 meters. Drop up, 4.40 meters. Voyage number, 22 northbound. Over.
Report car 7, noted. 1-1, Tacloban.
Tango Yankee, sir, back to 16.
Mas parang mag-inang
Perfect, perfect, perfect.